Welcome to our channel. Today we'll see how we can configure an external captive portal on Ruckus One platform. We're at the dashboard of Ruckus One. We'll add a new Wi-Fi network. We'll give a name to it. The network type will be captive portal. Then we'll click on next and we will select the third-party captive portal option. In the next step, in portal provider, we will select a custom provider. We'll uncheck the MAC address bypass and encryption options. In captive portal URL, we will enter the URL of our external captive portal. We will also note down the integration key because we will be needing that later on. In walled garden, we will enter the IP address of our external captive portal server. In authentication service, we will accept all connections because in our case, we don't require user authentication. But in case we wanted to do that, we could select the authenticate connections options and add our radius server. Then we'll click on next and we'll select the venue to which we want to apply this network. And we will also activate it. Everything looks right, so we are going to click on the add button. The Wi-Fi network has been added. This is the code for our captive portal. In line number 9, we will update the password with the key that we noted earlier. In line number 13, the redirect URL, we can enter a URL to which the user will be redirected after successful user authorization. So we can incorporate this bit of code into our required user authorization flow to create a custom captive portal compatible with Ruckus One platform. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks and have a nice day.